So I still think we are about to see a dump getting created before this massive bounce towards the upside. That is why I've prepared myself with this open long position that I want to open at this 24.8k mark, which is going to be coming in at this daily support level, and whenever we can be reaching this daily support level and fill out our liquidity wick that we got over here with a daily bullish divergence, well, that is going to be the moment where I would definitely be interested in opening this long position. So after we saw this massive crash being created towards the downside, we have basically seen a lot of buy signals coming in towards the Bitcoin charts. Look, we have seen a lot of liquidations happening, which whenever we can be seeing a lot of liquidations happening, usually that is a pivotal moment for the Bitcoin price, as well as the Bitcoin funding rates are right now getting very negative, just like these previous times where it has indicated the bottom. The daily RSI is reaching the same exact levels not seen ever since the COVID crash. So the RSI is sitting at historical buy signals, and at the same time we are seeing a lot of people right now getting fearful. Now of course we are still trading inside of this uptrend, and in my opinion, as long as we are going to be holding this uptrend, I'm still going to be bullish on the Bitcoin price. Now, if we are going to be flipping this uptrend in towards the downtrend, that is going to be the moment where I'm going to be flipping bearish. But that is currently not happening, so I'm still going to be remaining to be bullish on the Bitcoin price. So because of all of these reasons combined, whenever we can be seeing another dump being created in towards the Bitcoin price, filling up this liquidity because we have created a massive wick towards the downside right here on many exchanges, well, all of the time basically we do tend to fill up this liquidity we have over here. So because of that, it will just be very likely that we are going to be seeing another dump being created in towards the Bitcoin price, and at the same time we are probably coming in towards this daily support level, and at the same time creating a bullish divergence inside of the daily time frame, and at the same time we are developing all of these bullish buy signals. Well, that is going to be the reason why I'm going to be very interested in towards opening up this long position. Now the invalidation of course would be if we are going to be closing a daily candle below this support level, because at that moment we are going to be losing our daily uptrend, we are going to be losing very significant daily support, and at that moment, well, we could definitely be saying that we are going to be starting this downtrend right here. And whenever that happens, I'm not going to be interested in opening up any kind of a long position anymore. Now in the imminent short term, we are right now consolidating inside of some kind of consolidation range. We could be breaking this one towards the upside, and then it will just be taking a little bit longer in my opinion before we are actually going to be seeing this dumping created in order for us to fill our Bitcoin trade. But definitely if we are going to be breaking this one towards the downside, I definitely do think we will be getting our trade filled. Now, one thing that will be very important for today is that probably today we will be seeing further clarification of this Grayscale spot Bitcoin ETF. Likely an announcement is about to be made today, and the very important thing right here is that it is a court decision. It's not a normal SEC decision where the SEC can say, all right, it will be delayed into the future. No, with this decision right here, it cannot be delayed, and further information is necessary to be given today or at least this week. So make sure to keep your eyes out on this. I will be sharing this exactly on my Twitter profile as soon as possible. And another very important thing is that you should not be getting distracted by this recent dip. Look, the Bitcoin halving is getting very close, and we of course do know that the Bitcoin halving is very correlated with the next Bitcoin bull run. So you should not be getting distracted by this short-term Bitcoin dip, and you should just be accumulating more Bitcoin for the long run. This is what I am currently doing. I'm just buying more Bitcoin in towards this Bitcoin dip. This is going to be my strategy, and I think in the next 2 years I'm going to be benefiting the most from this. So with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.